See?
We got some Pop-Tarts, some peanut butter, and some Dollar Store Nutella. So it's be whole. And cookies, also Dollar Store.
We're gonna make the ultimate sandwich by toasting this. Peanut butter on one side, peanut butter on the second, and then cookies in the center, and putting it together and eating it for the ultimate diabetes.
Not the ultimate, but fairly diabetes like.
Yeah.
Diabetes like me.
This song sounds dramatic, but I'm bad at writing words. If you don't speak English, this probably sounds pretty good.
This is our Valentine's special. Valentine's special. This is what you can cook.
And then they're gonna feed them to each other.
This is what you cook for your loved ones on Valentine's Day. Check that shit out.
Looks like gold.
That's Valentine's Day gold.
Mine didn't spread properly.
Oh no, it's so good. Oh my god. I know, right?
Hey Sam.
That's me, dude.
Fuck you, man.
This is why I don't have Valentine's.
Fuck you on Merry Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's.
This song sounds dramatic, but I'm bad at writing words. If you don't speak English, this probably sounds pretty good. You'd probably think I'm singing about some pretty serious stuff, but in reality I'm singing about the lack of stuff I'm singing about.